Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session. The court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 0344. Case is style the state of Texas versus Giovanni Estrada Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Hernandez?
I'm doing good.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Hernandez, you're represented in this case by Attorney Jim Sheeran Bearden Jr. And Attorney Bearden, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. State is represented in this case by Attorney Shane Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, and the probation office is represented by Mr. Gary Gilliam. Mr. Gilliam, how are you doing?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Bearden, what is your announcement in Mr. Hernandez's case?
Your Honor, I've talked to Mr. Hilton this morning, and what we would like to ask the court is for another 60-day reset with the plan of possibly dismissing this case at the next setting. Mr. Hernandez has been on probation for a few months now. He's paid the restitution. He's ahead on his probation payments. He's doing extremely well. There's a sister case or a subsequent case that happened in Orange that has yet to be filed. That is the underlying basis for this motion to revoke probation. It hasn't been filed. We don't know when it's going to be filed, but he's doing so well that we'd like to let him continue to do well, with the understanding that maybe in 60 more days, if nothing's come up with the Orange case, that we just dismiss and let him finish out in May.
State, you have any objection?
No objection, Your Honor. He's set to go off of probation on our case in May. And as Mr. Bearden said, he's doing well. He's paid off the restitution and has caught up on his payments, which is one of the allegations on the motion to revoke. So the only thing left is whether or not this pending charge out of Orange gets filed or not. And so that is what the state has agreed to.
Okay, and probation?
Yes, sir.
You in agreement? Okay, give us a reset day, 60-day reset.
I'll make it okay, Your Honor.
Okay, this case will be reset to February 11th of 2026 at 9 a.m. And Mr. Hernandez, you need to be in court in person on that day. Your case has been reset. Stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you and your family. And Attorney Bearden, nice seeing you again.
See you, Your Honor.
And hey, you have a blessed day. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Tell your dad I said hi. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 0660. Case is style the state of Texas versus Vu Hong. Mr. Hong is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Hong, you could take your mic off of mute. How are you doing, Mr. Hong?
How you doing, Jan?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Hong, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Brock White. And Mr. White, how are you doing? Attorney White, how are you doing?
Good morning, I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Oh, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
Good morning, Jan.
Good morning. The state is represented in this case by Attorney Cornelius Williams. Mr. Williams, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. You and your staff?
We're doing great. Now, Mr. White, what is your announcement in Mr. Hong's case? I think his video is still up. Okay, we couldn't
email out.
we couldn't hear you. You're breaking up.
Yes, sir. I'm going closer to it. So I was saying, Your Honor, that on this case, I asked for an evaluation for dismissal. I got Mr. Williams' information and I emailed him, but unfortunately the email bounced back. So I need to try to.
He said he mailed you an email and it bounced back.
I'll send Mr. White an email.
Okay, Mr. White, Mr. Williams said he's going to send you an email.
Yes, Your Honor. I just wanted them to do an evaluation based on the issues that I have, or I think there are with the case.
Okay, give us a reset. Okay, this case will be reset to February 4th of 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Hong, the reset will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. Merry Christmas to you and your family. And Attorney White, you're also free to go. You have a blessed day. Merry Christmas to you and your family as well.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Okay.
Have a good day.
All right, you're excused.
Christmas.
You're welcome. Okay. Mr. Q. Ruiz Alfonso, excuse me, Ramon Alfonso Ruiz Pineda. Could you please come forward? Mr. Ruiz Pineda, is that your full name?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now, you are represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Jared Gilthorpe, who is appearing via Zoom. And Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Ruiz Pineda, how are you doing? ¿Cómo está? Bien? Good. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement in Mr. Ruiz Pineda's case?
Judge, we have received all of the discovery on that case, and I believe we can resolve it if we had one reset to continue negotiating with the prosecutor.
Okay, what that's gonna be February 4th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this case will be reset to February 4th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gilthorpe, your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go. You have
Okay.
a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you and your family. And
Same
you
to
can
you, Judge.
tell Mr. Ruiz Pineda that his case is also reset to February 4th, 2026.
Understood, Judge. Señor Pineda, le pusieron una fecha nueva para el 4 de febrero, entonces ya se puede ir.
Okay, okay, he could get his reset.
Le
Yeah.
van a pasar un papel que dice que tiene la fecha nueva y entonces se puede ir, ¿ok?
All right, thanks
Thank
a
you,
lot.
Judge. Take
All
care.
right, y'all free to go.
Merry Christmas.
All
Bye-bye.
right, Merry Christmas to y'all. Okay, Merry Christmas, Mr. Pinata. All right. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 5 cases, all the style of state of Texas versus Charles Jason Kramer. Mr. Kramer, would you please come forward? Okay, now, Mr. Kramer, court is in session and cause numbers 25 CCCR 0594, cause number 25 CCCR 2266, cause number 25 CCCR 2264, cause number 25 CCCR 2265, and cause number M333072. Mr. Kramer, let's see, I have before me. Awesome. I have before me 2 documents. First document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Second is waiver of counsel for purpose of entering guilty plea. Mr. Kramer, would you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Now, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Kramer?
All right.
That's good. Now, Mr. Kramer, this first document, Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
And there are a set of initials on the line that state you like to waive your right to attorney represent yourself.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes.
I also have another document that is titled waiver of counsel for purposes of for purposes of entering a plea or proceeding this trial. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kramer, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge? Let's see. Okay, Mr. Kramer, I need to give you the Ferretta warning. And I think we've did this before in the past, some of these cases.
Yes, sir.
And it states that it's a Ferretta versus California, 422, United States, or the US 806 of 1975. Have you ever studied law?
No, sir.
Okay. Have you ever represented yourself in a criminal action?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand the charges against you in each case?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the maximum punishment or the penalty for each charge?
Yes, sir.
Are you familiar with the exact elements of each charge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what are they?
Simulated process.
That's the offense, but I'm asking you the elements. I'm saying the elements is what's in the information, the charging instrument that the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand those elements?
Yes, sir.
So my question to you is, for example, in a let's see. Okay, you have some city ordinances. Hold on a minute. Let me pull them up.
That's there's dog at large for my son's dog being out.
Okay, I'm not asking you about the facts of the case.
Yes, sir.
I'm only asking you about the elements. Now, Let me do this here. Oh, wrong one. This computer takes a little while to come up. Okay. Yeah. Explanation. Wait up, wait up, wait up. Oh, a minute. Waiver of counsel. Oops. Like you did hold on a minute. And in this case, hold on a minute, in this first case, clause number 25 CCCR 0594, you did a waiver of counsel back on September 29th of 2025. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And I would imagine, and on that day, you said you wanted to, okay, wanted to waive your right. And I went over this Faretta warning with you on that date, right?
Yes, sir.
Then apparently you did another, came back a month later and you changed your mind. Hold on a minute, I'm trying to pull it. You did two of them. You did all five of these cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did a judgment, you waived your counsel, you waived it then. Okay, that was in October 27th. Oh, so we've already went over this Faretta warning on these 5 cases.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you didn't have to fill out this again. Yeah, yeah, you didn't have to fill this out again. We already did that. So, so I guess at this point, we've already went over the Faretta warning. We just need to know, now, your case is set for an announcement. Your cases are set for announcements. And the announcement is you can announce to the court whether or not you need time, more time to get prepared for the case, whether or not you need time to get with the district attorney's office to get discovery.
Yes, sir.
They have access to the evidence, and or whether or not you're ready to go to trial.
I'd like to have discovery first.
Okay.
That'd be.
Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna reset these cases. You have to get with the district attorney's office. You have Mr. Hilton. These are your cases?
They are now, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. So we got a new prosecutor.
Okay.
Okay. Well, he's not new, but the other prosecutor is no longer here.
Yeah.
Okay. So well, let's give him a reset. Give us a date and see if that may be convenient for y'all.
Card. I don't have a card. You have our ring number? Is there a day? Afternoon, like 3 o'clock? I will wait for you.
Any day. Like,
Wednesday, next Wednesday.
next Wednesday,
November third floor,
Lord.
and you'll go to the window, until.
Yes, sir.
I'll let you're meeting with me, about discovery for your case.
January 21st or the 28th.
I'll have.
Okay.
to talk to them on that, whatever, or one of our this, so. Yeah.
Okay, we can reset it for January 21st or January 28th.
What days are those?
So Wednesday.
It's a Wednesday,
It's a Wednesday, they're both Wednesday. 28th would be great.
28th, okay.
Yes, sir.
So these cases will be reset to January 28th of 2026 at 9 AM. Mr. Kramer, you'll get your resets from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
You too. Thank you.
Okay. And Mr. Gillett, I think this is the last cast.
Yes, sir.
You free to go. You have a blessed day. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Hmm. Mr. Boudreaux is talking to his client.
No, it's not.
Okay, talking to the attorney. Hey, court will be in recess. Jefferson County Court at law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 25 CCC Aura 1502. Case is style of state of Texas versus Kiara Marquita Hightower. Ms. Hightower is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Hightower, how are you doing? Ms. Hightower, how are you doing? I mean, I can hear some. I can hear the. Ms. Hightower, can you hear me? She must not be able to hear me. Okay, Ms. Hightower, oh, there she is right there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Hightower, you represent, well, first of all, Ms. Hightower, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Hightower, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marvel Provo. And Ms. Provo, how are you doing? Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Ms. Hightower's case? On the announcement docket? Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to February 11th of 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Hightower, on that date, you need to be in court in person, February 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Yes,
You're
sir.
free to go. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you all too.
Thank you. And Ms. Provo, you're free to go. Okay, if we don't see each other for Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. Okay, you free to go? Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session. In the case of Jackie Justin Joe. Mr. Joe, would you please come forward with your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux? What's the fine? Man, I can't read.
$50, Your Honor.
Oh,
$50.
okay. Okay. This is cause number 25CCCR 2296, case of style of state of Texas versus Jackie Justin Job. Mr. Job, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Job, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Job, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Job?
Very good, sir. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Job, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Todd Takash. However, Attorney Takash is not here standing in for Mr. Takash, his attorney, Don Boudreaux. And does Mr. Boudreaux have your permission to stand in for Mr. Takash?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Just fine, sir.
And Mr. Boudreaux, do you waive a record in Mr. Job's case?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Job, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled complaint. This complaint was filed by, let's see, Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. In this complaint, it alleges that you, Jackie Justin Job, on or about May 31st of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class C misdemeanor offense of speeding. Mr. Job, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Job, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, and no contest?
No contest.
No, you pleaded no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? That's what no contest means. Okay, Mr. Joe, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this
Yes,
document?
sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked, no contest, no contendere.
Yes, sir.
Which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this
Yes,
document?
sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's
Yes,
titled
sir.
defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Mr. Joe, before you sign and initial these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that Mr. Boudreaux went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Joe, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit number 1. State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit 1?
So tended, Your Honor.
And any objections, Mr. Boudreaux?
No, sir.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted into evidence. Mr. Boudreaux, you have advised and counseled Mr. Joe, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir.
And Mr. Joe, your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
yes, sir.
Mr. Joe, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do you have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The essential term is a $50 fine, Your Honor, plus court costs. Correct, Mr. Boudreaux? Yes.
Okay, Mr. Job, the state is offering that you pay a fine of $50
Yes, sir.
plus court costs of $277, which comes to a total of $327.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Joel, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer, well, first of all, are you able to pay the $227 total?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Joel, I will follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Joel, I asked you whether or not you're satisfied with the services of Mr. Boudreaux,
Yes, sir.
and you are. And also, are you satisfied with the services of Todd Takash, your
Yes.
attorney, right? Okay. All right. Now, Mr. Joel, the total is $327. $277 was the court cost, $50. Wait up, let me make sure. Yes. Yeah, okay. Okay. Mr. Joe, just have a seat in that first chair, wait for your name to be called. And when the bailiff is gonna come out, you're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you will go downstairs to the county clerk's office and make your payment.
Yes, sir.
And I think if you have an appeal bond, and you should have an appeal bond, I think they will be able to take.
I'll go with him.
So, okay. Okay, part of that out of the appeal bond, okay. Just have a seat in that chair and wait for the bailiff to come so she can get your fingerprints.
Yes, sir.
All right, and you have a blessed day,
Thank
and Merry
sir.
Christmas to you,
Merry Christmas. to
and
you.
Merry Christmas to you, thank you, and Merry Christmas to you, Mr. Boudreaux.
That's the only one I have, I believe.
Yes, okay,
I like
Thank you, Gary.
Mr. Boudreaux.
okay.
Like, you want to change it to 50?
Back here.
So you want him to go here by 9 a.m.? Okay.
Yeah, it's always on or before 6 p.m. So 9 a.m. is before 6 p.m. On or before, yeah. So she's going at 9 a.m. Okay. At or before 6 p.m. Okay, court will be in recess. Jefferson County Court, Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 1884. Case is style of State of Texas versus Sanmay Patel. Mr. Patel, is that your full name?
Yeah, my first name is Patel is last name.
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Patel, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah.
Mr. Patel, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Patel?
All right, sir. What about you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Patel, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Christy Carlton. Ms. Carlton, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, Ms. Carlton, do you waive a record in Mr. Patel's case?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Patel,
Yes.
I have before me a document on my computer that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Sanmay Patel, on or about April 7th of 2025, while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Second, this information further alleges that prior to the presentment of this information, or prior to the commission of this offense, that on or about June 22nd of 2022, in cause number 02-12340 in Falls County Court of Falls County, Texas, that you committed that you were convicted of an offense relating to the operating of a motor vehicle while intoxicated. Mr. Patel, is that true?
Yes, sir.
Now, to the Class A misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Second, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
No contest? Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the
Yes.
charges? Mr. Patel, I also have before me a document on my tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yeah.
On page 2 of the same document, there are a set of initials, SP, that are on a line.
My initial.
You place these initials on this line that's titled nolo contingere, which means no contest. Is that correct? Okay. On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
That's fine. Yes.
All right. On the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir. That's fine, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Do you understand that statement? Okay. The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Patel, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you,
Yes.
did your attorney, Ms. Carlton, go over these documents with you?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
did you understand everything that Ms. Carlton went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes, sir.
to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Patel, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1 into evidence?
So tendered, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted into evidence. Ms. Carlton, you've advised and counseled Mr. Patel. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir.
Mr. Patel,
Yes,
your attorney, Ms. Carlton, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation?
yes, sir.
Mr. Patel, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The essential terms are as follows, Your Honor. It would be 180 days probated over an 18-month period of time, Your Honor, a $500 fine. 50 hours community service, the interlock, other standard conditions. And the state does not oppose a stay of minimus to January 5th to surrender by 9 a.m. to serve for 72 hours. Is that correct, Ms. Stockton?
Yes, we did.
If it's possible, I try to come earlier.
Okay.
He said he'll be here
Sure.
before 9 a.m. He's
Oh, okay.
he's taking the bus.
Okay.
I'm coming from Houston, sir, so might be.
That'll be
That's
fine.
why I gave you
Yes,
9 o'clock.
yes, sir. That'll be fine.
Ms. Carlton, were you appointed?
I was, Your Honor.
Okay. What's the court cost?
392.
Okay. Mr. Patel, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in Jefferson County Jail, but this 180 days will be probated for 18 months, which means that you'll be on probation for a period of 18 months. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $392. You'll also be required to pay a DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15, and you're being required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $159 a month. Will you be able to pay the $159 a month?
It's very hard for me, sir.
Okay, may I see his affidavit of indigence? Okay, Ms. Carlton. Okay, Ms. Carlton, I'm gonna show you a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Could you show this to your client?
Yeah, on this one, right now.
It changed?
Yeah, it's changed because of right now,
You
where
need to
I'm
pay-
working, they give me like
Oh,
40 hours.
okay, you can make that change on there.
So average 1,700 to 1,800 around
Mark,
for monthly.
maybe mark through that, that's what it's on.
Oh,
And then just put that there.
And just total it.
Has anything changed as of here?
no. Because of my rent is there. Okay, I have to pay for now next month, health, for insurance, $53. Obamacare.
Is this incorrect? Because I added a 53.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Like that. Okay. Mr. Patel,
Yes, sir.
have you had an opportunity to review this document that's titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence?
Yes, sir.
And you made some corrections, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Is everything on this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Patel, the court is going to find that you are indigent. And based on the finding of indigency pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, the fine of $500 plus court costs of $392, which comes to a total of $892, will be converted to 71 hours of community service.
71 hours, okay.
Yes, the attorney's fees in this case of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11. Because the court has determined that to pay the probation fee will cause you a financial hardship, so it has been waived. The reimbursement fee of $50 is also being waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. You will be required to pay the DWI conviction fine fee of $100. The probation fees in this case will be reduced to the statutory minimum of $25 a month. And you will be required to pay the reimbursement fee of $270. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $48 a month. Yes, would you be able to pay the $48 each month?
Each one, 48, okay.
Yeah, $48. Now, you will also be required to perform 50 hours of community service in addition to the 71 hours of community service that was converted from the fine and court costs, which comes to a total of 121 hours of community service. Do you understand that?
So 50 plus 71.
Yes. 71 is your fine and court costs that you were required to pay. And so the total number is 121 hours of community service. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You'll also be required to install the interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate. Now, you're also required to pay a DWI conviction fine, a DWI education fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, you'll be required to attend and complete a DWI education class. You're required to have an alcohol assessment, and I did mention that you are required to have that interlock. Is that correct?
Interlock, yeah.
Yes. Now, you will also be required to serve 72 hours in jail, in Jefferson County Jail, beginning January 5th, 2026 at or before 6 p.m. on that day.
Yeah, I will try to come over here at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, you'd have to turn yourself in at the jail. They can tell you where you need to turn yourself in at, and you need to have your paperwork when you report to the jail.
No.
Okay, now, Mr. Patel, you would also be required to adhere to the standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Mr. Patel, do you understand the state's offer and the court's findings?
Yeah, like every month $49 I have to pay, and also like 121 hours community service.
Right, everything that you understood everything that I
Yeah,
mentioned to you. Now, do you think that it's fair and it's just?
Up to you, sir. Yeah, whatsoever you
Okay.
you gave me, okay, I have to accept it. You know, sir.
And do you accept it?
If you can, some hours.
I know the hours was because of you could not
Yeah,
pay.
yeah.
So we had to convert it to your fine and court costs to community service.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, do you accept it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement with the court's finding. Mr. Patel, you're gonna have a seat. It's gonna take some time for them to retype your paperwork.
Okay.
And so once they retype your paperwork, they'll call you up to the table. You're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day, and Merry Christmas to you and your
Thank you, sir.
family.
Merry Christmas.
And Ms. Carlton, you're free to go as well. Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Oh.
sent me notes, so they're gonna reset it.
Okay, okay, so you're free to go?
Think they're-
And we'll give you your reset. We'll mail you your reset. Okay, you have a blessed day.
You do as well.
We'll be making these corrections and getting these and all that. That's my.
Okay, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 2946. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Jose Ibarra Chavez. And Mr. Chavez is present. Mr. Chavez speaks Spanish. He may speak a little English. We also have Ms. Jennifer Araji, who's here, who is our interpreter. Ms. Araji is fluent in Spanish and English. And Ms. Araji, how are you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing fine. Ms. Araji, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to translate Spanish to English and English to Spanish to help you God?
Yes, Judge.
You may put your hand down. Ask Mr. Chavez if his full name is Jose Ibarra Chavez.
Yes.
Okay, ask him to raise his right hand. Mr. Chavez, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Mr. Chavez, you may put your hand down. ¿Cómo está?
Bien, señor.
Bien,
Good,
that's
gracias.
good. Now, Mr. Chavez is represented in this case by his attorney, Lori Perazzo. Ms. Perazzo, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank
You're welcome. Ms. Perazzo, do you waive a record in Mr. Chavez's case?
you. Yes, sir.
Mr. Chavez, I have before me a document on my computer that's titled information. In this this information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention. The state alleges that this offense occurred on or about October 24th of 2025. Do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, Judge.
To this charge, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest? No contest?
Judge. Before. Right now. Right now. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Yes, Judge.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Mr. Chavez, I have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, which is State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, el documento. Por favor, señor, si te acuerdas de ese documento. Yes, Judge.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials. Did you place your initials on this line that's titled Nola Contendere, which means no contest?
Y ahí pues hice sustanciales diciendo que quiere suplicarlo con el resto. Yes, Judge.
On page 3 of this document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Y ese es su firma completo ahí. Sí. Yes, Judge.
Now I'm gonna go back to page 1. On page 1, there's a paragraph. The last paragraph is titled Citizenship. And I'm going to go over this paragraph with you. It states that if you're not a U.S. citizen on a plea of guilty or nola contendere, it may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to this country, or denial of naturalization under federal law. Do you understand this?
Ahí está explicando que diciendo que eres culpable o no comprar un impuesto que se le puede indicar por dejarle entrar los Estados Unidos, que si entiendes. Yes, Judge.
And do you still want to go forward with your plea of no contest?
Yes, Judge.
Have him the initial, put his initials below that paragraph.
Yes, sir.
Bless you. Thank you. The next document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document?
¿Recuerdas ese documento? Sí, sí.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, Judge.
At the top of this document, there are two boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
La primera vez fue, usted no se puede apelar a este caso. Okay.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
El segundo caja dice que algo de derecho para apelar el caso cuando se termine. Si entiendes. Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Sorry, forgot to give that to you.
Okay, thanks. I have another document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Judge.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, it's okay. Yes, Judge.
I have another document that is titled English Statement Number 1 for all foreign nationals except those from mandatory notification countries. And Mr. Chavez is now a U.S. citizen, is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
And he is a citizen of Mexico.
Correct.
Okay. In this document, the last sentence states, do you want us to notify your consular officers at this time? And it's circle no. Is this your correct response?
Esta pregunta sí existe porque usted no quiere que la corte se notificara a cancelar su pago, ¿verdad? Yes, Judge.
Now, Mr. Chavez, before you sign and initialed all of the documents that I just showed you, or this went over with you, did Ms. Araji go over these documents with you in Spanish?
Antes de poder de esos documentos que hay que usted enseñó, si lo explico todo en español antes de firmar. Yes, Judge.
And did you understand everything that Ms. Araji went over?
Yes, Judge.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Judge.
State, I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1. Would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 into evidence?
State's Exhibit Number 1, so tended, Your Honor.
No
In-
objection.
As well as we have State's Exhibit Number 2, which would be the notification pursuant to the Vienna Council on Foreign Relations, Your Honor, to where he specifically states that he waives, Judge.
Okay,
It's just a non-mandatory.
okay,
No
so
objection.
State's offering State's Exhibit Number 2, no objections? No objections, State's Exhibit Number 2, State's Exhibit Number 2 is also admitted along with State's Exhibit Number 1. Now, Ms. Barrazo, you have advised that counsel, Mr. Chavez, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Barrazo, did you advise Mr. Chavez as to the consequences of him pleading guilty and no contest pursuant to the case of Padilla versus Kentucky.
Yes, sir, I did.
And the next, Mr. Chavez, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Chavez, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential term is 45 days, Judge, time served and all fees should be taxed and retired. Is that correct, Ms.?
That is correct.
Mr. Chavez, the state is offering that you serve 45 days in jail, but you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. Okay. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid it off. Mr. Chavez, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, Judge.
Do you think that the state's offer in this case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Chavez, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Chavez, you're gonna follow the directions of the bailiff? Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you can follow the bailiff. Okay, you have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you, que Dios les bendiga a todos. He said, thank you, may God bless you all.
Thank you. You stand at the end of the table. And Ms. Barrazo, you free to go?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, and you have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you. Same to you. And
Thank you.
everybody. God bless us one and all.
Thank you, Mr. Roger, and you have a blessed day.
Stand up. Oh, God. Conversational, where I have a problem.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Raji. All right, thank you. You have a blessed day. All right. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 2250. Case is style of State of Texas versus Tony Paul Thomas. Mr. Thomas, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Thomas, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Thomas, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Thomas?
I'm doing okay, yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Thomas, you are represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney David Grove. Mr. Grove, how are you doing?
Did real well, Judge, thank you.
That's good. Mr. Grove, do you waive a record in Mr. Thomas's case?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Thomas, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Tony Paul Thomas, on or about June 8th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Thomas, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Right.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? And Mr. Thomas, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials, TT, on a line that's titled Nola Contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney, Mr. Grove, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that Mr. Grove went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State, you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections, Mr. Grove?
No, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Grove, you have advised and counseled Mr. Thomas. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None that I'm aware of, Judge.
And Mr. Thomas, your attorney, Mr. Grove, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 11 days county jail with credit for time served of 11 days, and ask that the court costs in this matter be taxed and retired.
Mr. Thomas, the state is offering that you serve 11 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not be required to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 11 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you have already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you would not have to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Thomas, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Thomas, you're gonna have a seat in that first chair. Wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called by the bailiff, you go to the table, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you.
And Mr. Grove, you're free to go as well. And if I don't see you till after the holidays, Merry Christmas to you and your family as well.
Thank you, Judge, and the same to you.
Thank you.
I probably will see you before then. No, now, please, since you're gonna be here.
Yes.
That was yours.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Side there.
This will conclude the calling of both of the trial court's dockets, the announcement docket and the motion to revoke probation docket. Both dockets are scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date, December 10th, 2025, in County Court at Law Number 2. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. Merry Christmas to you and your family.